Hej och välkommen till min kanal. As you saw in the previous video, the project SRV has started. I have decided to build a stealth RV and live full time in that. In today's video, the task to build the foundation, since it's going to be a temporary solution, I'm not going to spend a lot of time and money into this. It's going to be a more quick fix. But anyhow, today I will be preparing and setting up the foundation of the box. Since the shed has electrical power but no water or no power or running water, I will use the existing drainage. First thing we're going to look at is if the drainage is okay. It's built into the floor and I can use it for my grey water. So this is what it looks like, and now I'm going to work with it. So here's the drainage. I use my phone to illuminate it, and it has some gravel down the bottom. It's like half a meter or 2-3 feet deep. I have removed the sand and the dust from the drainage, capable of taking care of the 20-liter container with water to see if it drains okay. Doesn't look too good. It's filling up, but is it? The water level is rising. That's not a good sign. It is half the container, and I think the water level has evened out. Now it's not filling up anymore. 20 liters is worst case. I'm planning to use much less water than that, since it's not going to be a free access of water. I'm going to be very sparse with it. And by the way, it would be very helpful if you can leave some comments below. What can I do to improve the quality of this YouTube channel? Since I'm very new, I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions. So please comment below and help me out. And also subscribe.
Wanna know why something's missing. Started stories before, but they ended up short. Get me up to higher places. Want you to feel my pages. Is this for real or is it just a fake?
before I can put any kind of floor on top of the XPS sheets. I need to figure out where to put my sewage or drainage from the shower and from the kitchen sink. So that's my next task. So that is the correct placement, and I figure out the only way I can think of how to cut the groove into the XPS is with my electric chainsaw. So it's going to be a mess, but I need to try it. Yes, first step, the hole is in the right place. Now cut sideways somehow. Yeah, it's snowing. Well, that worked much better than I thought. Good. Next step is to try to break those off, those puzzle pieces. Yep. So now it's time for the drainage pipe. I have a very good solution. It's a drainage pipe that is twistable. You can adjust it to the angle you need. So, can you turn it up to 90 degrees if you want to? So, so, it's just about perfect first try. That's nice. I think it was more or less perfect the first try. There's the range, and twist, then this, get the second I want. This, and step, and up, and so, yeah. We want to angle, and start another for shower. The first try, that was easy.